Hey everyone, if Penpot is not letting you sign in, keeps showing login errors, or sends you back to the login page, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to get your Penpot account working again. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Temporary network problems can prevent Penpot from authenticating your account. Next, double-check your email address and password. Yeah, even a small typo or an outdated password can stop the login process. If you're not sure about your password, use the password reset option. Creating a new password often solves account access issues. Sometimes corrupted cookies or cached files can interfere with login sessions. So clear your browser cache and cookies, then try signing in again. Some browser extensions, especially privacy or ad blocking tools, can interrupt authentication. Disabling them temporarily can help. If the problem continues, open Penpot in an incognito window or try another browser. Yeah, this helps determine whether the issue is browser-related. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, turn it off and try again. Network routing issues can sometimes block login requests. Make sure your browser is fully updated. So, outdated browsers may have compatibility issues with modern login systems. If login problems affect everyone, the issue may be on Penpot's side. Waiting for the service to recover may be all that's needed, and if nothing works, contact Penpot support for additional help. They can investigate account-specific issues and help restore access. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Penpot login problems and get you back into your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.